All right, here we are. Welcome to the Bengals, fourth grade Bengals, week 1, day 2. And once again, I apologize for the glare. No, I'm not wearing the same exact shirt as yesterday. I'm just pre-recording this. So I'm taping 2 videos on the same day. Okay? So we have the exit ticket. 500 times 6. This was yesterday's exit ticket. Hopefully you did well. All right? So we have 6 times 0 gives you 0. 6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 5 equals 30, according to my multiplication facts, therefore giving me 3,000 as my solution. So maybe you came up with 300, maybe you came up with 30, maybe it's because you didn't do your 6 times 0, 6 times 0 twice, okay? Or maybe you didn't come up with, maybe you came up with 2,900. It's because you didn't do your multiplication correct here. You came up with 29. So take a look and really try to zoom in as to where your mistake happened. Now, the model problem for today. Still doing a 3-digit times 1 digit, but now there's an actual digit other than 0 in the tens place. Okay? So we're going to start off by doing 3 times tables. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6, and 3 times 7. Three times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 equals 21. All right. And I will be honest with you here. If you can somehow practice your multiplication facts over the summer, 5th grade is going to be so much easier. All right? So much easier. So, a little birdie told me. No, I'm just kidding. I'll be teaching 5th grade math. So, I know just if you can somehow learn your multiplication facts, it's going to just cut down in steps, make just things so much easier and more fun. Okay? So, if you can take some time over the rest of the summer and really practice those facts and get them down as fast as you can say them, like 3 times 5 equals 15. Oh, it'd be wonderful. All right. So here we are. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 7 equals 21. So the 1 here, and then we got to carry that 2 over. The 2 from 21. That's where I think some mistakes are going to happen today. Forgetting to carry that 2 over. 3 times 3 equals 9. Plus 2 more equals 11. Giving me the answer of 1,110. All right, so that's our model problem. Let's go ahead. Same concept, same strategies, just different digits. That's it. 460 times 4. Go ahead and hit the pause button to solve now. All right, so you've unpaused it, and let's go over it. 460 times 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. And 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 0, we all know is 0. 4 times 6, what we found out is 24. Leave the 4, bring the 2 up, and regroup it. 4 times 4 equals 16, plus that 2 more is 18, giving me a solution of 1,840. Okay, so the question, if you made a mistake, the question is, did you regroup incorrect or did you multiply incorrect? Take a look, see if you can fix it, and really work on not making that mistake on the next problem here. Number 3, 250 times 9. 250 times 9. All right? So hit the pause button. I know it's 9 times tables. Just take your time with it. Hit the pause button and work out the problem. All right, so I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit closer. I want to have you see something neat here. All right, 9 times tables. So 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, and 9 times 5 is 45. Now there's a little trick here. Follow along, okay, your 9 times tables. If you start up here in the ones place, which is where the 9 is, and you work your way down, everybody has every ones place. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Isn't that pretty cool? All right, all in the ones place. Then you go into tens place and you'll see 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's one trick of helping you with your nines times tables. The other trick is if you were to take each digit here, 4 and 5, and you added them together, you'll get 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 1 plus 8 is 9. Wow. All right. So if you accidentally put, like, say, 44 there, and you did 4 plus 4, you would get 8. And you would be able to catch yourself and say, oh, Mr. Brislin said I'm supposed to get 9 when I add those two digits up. So that's where you would catch yourself and identify a mistake, all on your own. Okay, so here we are. 9 times 0 is 0 for the ones place. 9 times 5 is 45. Take the 5, drop it here. Carry the 4 above the hundreds place from 45. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus that 4 more is 222, giving me the answer of 2,250. All right. Last but not least, before the exit ticket, 330 times 6. Go ahead, do your 6 times tables, hit the pause button, and solve now. All right, so we have 6 times 1, which gives you 6. 6 times 2 gives you 12, and 6 times 3 equals 18. And that's as high as I have to go. Because we'll start off with 6 times 0 giving you 0. 6 times 3 gives you 18. Leave the 8 in the tens place, carry the 1 over the hundreds place from 18. 6 times 3 equals another 18, plus that 1 gives you 19, giving you a solution of 1,980. All right, so with that being said, we've gone over a few practice problems here. Hopefully, if you made a mistake, you're recognizing your mistakes. You're not going to make that same mistake on the exit ticket. So we have 560 times 6 will be your exit ticket. So I wish you the best of luck. We'll see you here or in the Zoom session tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.